Hi guys, I'm going to show you the pull noodle method of basting a quilt. And the first part is getting your top, batting, and backing fabric onto a pull noodle, or in my case, some pipe insulating foam, because it's wintertime in Montana and they don't have pull noodles wintertime in Montana. So also this is longer, so you can get this, comes in 60 inches. So if you've got a wider top, like throw size, then this is a good size for that. So let me show you how. So I'm gonna move the top and the batting. We'll do the backing first. So you just lay it out on your table, and you want it to unroll with the back down. So meaning when you're unrolling it, the way your sandwich is going to be. So you just take it and roll it. And I'm just doing a baby size quilt today, but I've done it with larger throw size quilts. I gotta move my pins out of the way. And try to keep it as straight as you can while you roll, and tight. Okay, so I've got my backing rolled up. And now I'm gonna do my batting. And if your batting has a scrim, you want the scrim to be towards the back of your quilt, since that is the part that gets the most wear. So we'll roll it up the same way we did the backing fabric. Okay, batting is done. Now, your quilt top. So you want on your, I'll show you after I get this one rolled up. So roll up your quilt top. And there you go. So you can see with your backing fabric, you're going to have the side that you want showing on the outside of the quilt, on the outside of your noodle. And for your top, you're going to want the underside showing whenever it's all rolled up, so that way when you roll it all out, it rolls out correctly. So backing, you want your pattern showing. Top, you want your seams showing. Okay, and then the same, you want the scrim facing out on your batting. So now we are ready to roll this out and pin baste it.